And you see, after I connect the camera just test beat by itself, pan and tilt. That means the camera is okay. Now I'm gonna show you how to use your computer to remote view this camera. But before using the computer to review this camera, the computer must connect to the same router. And this is all the files that I just download from the use menu. That's CD disk. First, I just click the IP wizard. And this is the software. I just use it to search the camera's IP address. And you can see the default IP address of this camera is this one. It is 192.168.1.110, and this is the IP address of the built-in POE camera. And the next, I want to search what is the IP address of the Windows. My computer. What is the IP address of my computer? I just back to my keyboard and I press Windows and R. Here comes input CMD, and I just put the word IP config. And you can see the IP address of my computer is 192.168.1.121. Now the computer IP address is this one, and the IP address of the camera is this one. So they are in the same IP segment. So next I go to the Internet Explorer. Just use it to visit the camera. Now this is my Internet Explorer, the browser of the Windows. So I just put 192.168.1.110. And but oops, you can see I cannot visit the camera because my default language is Chinese. So but when I put the IP address of the camera, we just use the software to search. It is 192.168.1.110. I put this IP address into my Internet Explorer, but I can't find anything. Well, if you have met the same thing like mine, you just need to go to the software and just modify the IP address. Here the default is 192.168.1.110, and this time I just modified it to 111 and modify network. Okay, and I search again. You see, this is the new IP address of this camera. So I just back to the Internet Explorer. You see, this is my Internet Explorer, and this time I put the new IP address of the camera. You see, I just log in. Now I will do the same operation for you again. I put the new IP address of this built-in POE camera, and it is 192.168.1.111. And you can see here is the login surface. I just put the username admin, and the password is empty. Now I just log in, and I can use the PTZ. This is the Chinese. I just go to the language setting to choose English. You know, at the right corner of the screen, I just choose English. Now I can see this is the PTZ control, right and left, down and up. Now this part I just show you how to use the Internet Explorer to visit the camera and control the camera. And when you use the Internet Explorer to visit the camera, what you need is, you know, the POE switch and a cable. You just need these two things, you know, and make sure the POE switch connect to the router, the same as your computer connected. That means the POE switch and your computer are sharing the same router.